Pa-picture kami. Dito ni Michael.
Easy, pwede ba shoutout ang Easy Ralph official?
Okay, Easy Ralph official, yan.
Oh my God.
Hi, Easy Ralph official! You made my dreams come true. Char! Thank you, thank you, thank you! Ano, nag-ano ako?
Ano sabi mo?
Ralph, kung nakikinig ka man.
No.
You made my dreams come true. Yung nanay ko patay ako na.
Sa lahat ng Razzles fans, I love you all so much. Thank you for the love and support that you showed me this whole season. Sana patuloy niyo po kami suportahan ni AZ sa lahat ng aming future work. Sana magkaroon pa po and hopefully I hope to see you soon. Makakabawi po talaga ako sa inyo lahat. Thank you so much. God bless.
Pwede pa shoutout sa Easy Ralph official.
Hi AZ Ralph Official, thank you so much for all the love and support you give me and AZ. We have a lot more to go, a lot more work hopefully. I hope to see you soon. God bless.
Bigyan mo, tama na po. Pagpapahingan po natin ng mga artist. Sa cellphone na lang po. Picture mo na po kaya para. Pagpahingan po natin ng artist na. Thank you. Para mabilis lang. Picture ka na kaya. Gawin na. Thank you. Thank you po. Thank you.
Mika!
Congrats!
Kasama sa sali. Kalindra.
Hey, Gabby!
Bren, congrats ulit, Bren!
Ben, congrats!
Hindi, tapos na naman yun.
Tapos na. So, but we can go to the pool, right? It's still open.
pwede.
Oh, we'll go to the pool.
And it's right next door to the to where you
Yeah,
are.
and then you can bring Jella. Oh, hey! Ay, sorry. Ay, mabigyan. Tol! Tol! Bato!
Sir,
Emilio!
Sir, sige lang po tayo.
Brent!
Sige na po tayo. Sige na. Bye-bye. Si Michael lang. Michael! Michael!
Mr. Taes!
Michael, smile. Thank you. Michael! Bye-bye. Ingat po.